Guys, this is not financial advice. This is just entertainment. As always, speak to a professional before investing. Today, we're going to talk about what is going on in the market and how I nailed the Tesla trade here. I did a video on Tesla and it just caught a lot of hate overall, as I'm not invested in Tesla, but I noticed on the charts that it was turning down, and to me it had a lot of downside risk with the economic backdrop. And I did a video stating that their earnings were phenomenal. There's nothing wrong with the company. They're innovative. They are the leaders, but technically and fundamentally very overvalued in this market as of today. And just wanted to caution people to be very, very careful of that. We actually went to the charts, pointed out that it was hitting a topping point in a downward channel here, and that everything was kind of curling over to the downside risk here. And you know, the videos I make, they're not videos that are my opinion. These are things that I'm seeing on the charts or I'm seeing in the fundamentals. I could care less what the stock really does, but I know a lot of people are invested in the company, so I try to give good advice. And where did I say the stock was going? I said it was going to find support here at the 200-day moving average. And where is it going, ladies and gentlemen? It is literally touching the 200-day moving average as we speak. And so I just wanted to point out that because I give advice on a stock, I have nothing against the actual stock, guys. I go non-biased and I look at the technicals and fundamentals and try to give you guys what I think is going to happen here. And that move that I called out is a 21% move to the downside. I just wanted to make this video, as it gets frustrating when I put time and effort into a video that is unbiased and just taking the technicals and fundamentals and creating an opinion off of that puts a higher probability in the favor of that opinion. And what happens is people don't like that because they're invested in the stock. But if I'm taking non-biased opinions and I'm putting it in front of the consumer or in front of the viewer, I thought people would respect that more than just hopping on the hype train. But it just seems like I can't win when I do these analysis. So leave a comment down below. Should I stop doing these analysis? Is it a waste of time if I talk about a company that everybody hypes up? Just give me your opinion as a viewer here. Would like to know, as I pretty much called this play-by-play here that it was going to hit the 200-day moving average as it topped out of a downward channel here. So let me know in the comments if you do like my dive-ins to stocks, or if you want me to just stay away from it. And if you have a stock that you want me to look at, obviously put it in the comments as well. I can do a review on the stocks that you guys like. Really quick before I sign off here, I do want to talk about the S&P 500. So where I believe the stock market's heading is going to find a bottom here at this 415 level. It might trade sideways for a little bit, but I think it's going to eventually hit this bottom at 415. Probably get a little bit of a bounce back up, but I think we're going to trade in this channel here until we get the next leg down that I've been talking about. And as I stated before, this is earnings seasons. We have a lot of big names reporting earnings, so this could be the shoe that drops. This could be the quarter where we do put in the new leg and we take out recent lows. I'm not saying that 100% sure, but my thesis has remained that we have yet to bottom out in this market. We have yet to have true capitulation. And, I've used a lot of the big name companies that are in the S&P 500, your Microsofts, your Googles, your Apples, that are actually finally starting to participate here at levels that we've talked about for a little while. So to me, capitulation is starting to take place now, which tells me that the new leg in is coming pretty soon here. I could be wrong. It could already put it in, but for me, guys, I definitely think we need more participation with some of your bigger names. The fact that Tesla is trading down much harder than the market overall is giving me a good signal that capitulation is starting to take place here. So as always, guys, really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for spending it with me, and we will see you next time, investors. Peace.